Hey guys, Master Sanzo here. You already know I am the Final Anomaly. Something a little different this time. Instead of Dragon Ball Fighters, I went ahead and recorded me playing Magic the Gathering Arena. It is one of my favorite games, and I can stream the heck out of it if you want me to. Let me know what you think. If you enjoy it, I can post more videos. Please, guys, follow me on Twitch. The link is down below. I do stream Dragon Ball Fighters, Magic the Gathering, Blaze Blue Cross Tag Battle, and some retro games. There's other games too. I like to hang out with people. I'm new to this gaming community. Definitely want to get to know people. I'm very surprised at the amount of people that you can meet, make good friends. Pretty much family, and so I really enjoy it. Like I said, I'm new to this, so please, guys, follow me, like the videos here on YouTube, the link down below for Twitter, and I also have a Facebook group that you can join if you want to. You don't have to, but it is there, and I do post also when my announcements as far as when I'm going to stream or post a new video. But I appreciate you guys for watching this. If you decide to follow me on Twitch and join the community, welcome to the family. I definitely appreciate it. And I hope you guys enjoy the content. Thanks so much. Alrighty, that's not a bad hand. Yeah, let's keep it. Let's go ahead and risk it and see what we can do with that. I don't feel too bad about that hand. Go ahead and see. Hopefully I can start getting some better cards. Definitely got the lands, so I don't gotta worry about that. Yeah, I'm not playing that yet. I need at least 2 more lands on the field before I play that. Unless you play something extremely strong that's a 1/1 and I can kill it. Alright, so what does that do? It's a blue card is whenever you draw a card, put a foreshadow counter on Omnious Seas. Remove 8 foreshadow counters from Omnious Seas, create an 8/8 blue Kraken creature token, and has cycling 2. Okay. Let's wait it out. Alright, what was it again? He needs to, whenever he draws a card. Okay, so he's got it's gonna be what, how many turns? 8 of them. So I have 8 turns to have to figure out how I'm gonna deal with that creature. Slowly but surely. I think as long as I can get my death hit creature before it gets summoned, I'll be alright. So I'm not too worried about it. Generous Stray is gonna let me draw a card once it enters the battlefield, so we just gotta wait for him to accept it. And I'll be able to draw my card. Either he doesn't know what he's doing, or he is stalling me. But that's the danger about playing games online, or card games online, is that they can let the clock run and get you to become impatient and just quit. That's probably the reason for his name there. Man with 2 plans. One plan is to play me, the other plan is to stall me, probably. Alright, there we go. I'm a bit worried about that card, I'm not gonna lie. I just have nothing to destroy. There's nothing in my deck that'll destroy an enchantment. So I gotta focus on how I'm gonna kill the actual creature once it comes to the field. Tap target creature, draw a card. Oh, yeah, dang it, okay. Yeah, he's drawing cards, so he's gotta wait less. That's a good plan. There we go. Things are looking a bit better here. It'll let me draw the cards that I need sooner. Let's go ahead. It may be a waste, but if he's not going to be playing cards, let's power him up. But I'm pretty sure he's got counter cards. That's his whole thing here, is that he's going to get what he needs to be able to draw. To draw the cards plus counter my creature so he can get his 8/8 creature on the field, probably? No, I guess not. Never mind, I was wrong. Unless he can return them. He can return them to my hand, probably. No, okay, I'm mistaken. That's not either of his plans or either of his deck there. I got 4 more turns to figure it out. Return target creature to its owner's hand. Okay, he gets to draw a card. We're at 5 on the count. That's still fine. I'll get to draw a card here, and I'll get to scry 1, so if I don't like the card I'm fixing to draw, I can change it. Or at least put it to the bottom of my deck. That's a great enchantment. Oh, look at that. That's cool, okay. I mean, I guess he stopped. Or what did he stop? He didn't stop anything because it's a triggered ability. He didn't stop nothing, never mind. I thought he stopped the effect. I don't know what the point of that was. Or did he? That's triggered, isn't it? Whatever. Unless I drew and I didn't pay attention, but that's fine. It's fine. Let's just start playing as many cards as we can now. Do I want to draw a land next? That's 6. Yeah, you know what? I don't. I want to actually draw something better. So, go ahead and end the turn. And he's getting closer. He's at 6 now. I still have nothing to counter that. Or at least get ready for it. But let's see. I wonder what he's got in his hand, because golly. He's got 5 lands. I mean, I doubt everything else costs a ton. Unless he's waiting for this to be summoned and saving everything he can to protect it. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, he's definitely got counterspell cards. I mean, he wouldn't be examining that hard, would he? No? I don't know. It's weird. Enchant creature's attack or block, and its activated abilities can't be activated. There we go. I am a fan of that one. I already have one. Yeah, you know what? Let's keep it. Let's keep it, and let's go ahead and attack him. Start taking what life we can, because this Kraken is coming. Shoot. Yeah, let's keep him. Let's keep it safe. I'll go ahead and draw that card anyway. So. Alright, next turn I'm going to summon one of them. For sure. And what I'll do is if he summons a creature, I'll kill it. And if he doesn't summon a creature, I'll double the tokens on the Hydra here. This Hydra's got trample if you don't already know what it does. He packs a punch. But yeah, let's go ahead and play him. We got 5. Is that what we can do? Let's go ahead and pay it. Auto pay. And I'm gonna go ahead and double his token since there's nothing to fight. Yeah, I don't want that card. Because it doesn't seem like he's got any creatures. He just got shenanigans. I guess what is he just relying on this one card? It's just one Kraken, right? Create an 8/8 blue Kraken creature token, so I don't get it. I really don't understand. He's got the Kraken though. You know what? That land right now that I think about it, may have been what I wanted. Let's do this. If I have 5, I need 2. Okay, so it's 4. So I'm gonna have 3 mana left. And if I double, he'll be at 6. That won't be enough to kill, but if he fights, I can have another creature fight. I need to be able to take 8 life, so 2. I need to put him at 3. It still won't be enough to kill, darn. Because he'll be at 3 and he'll be at 4. Okay, let's hit cancel on that. And let's see if this works. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I can pull this off. Well, things are looking good unless he can counter it. Yeah, see, I knew he had something. Alright, it's fine. That's fine, I have another. If I can get something to power up my creature, though. Because if not... how can I kill it? I can't, darn it. There's nothing. I mean, literally. Actually, yeah, I can. Alright. We're good. And I'll draw cards. I'll actually draw 4 more cards. I'm good, I'm set. Who am I tripping? Why am I worrying? Then we'll play this card. We're good still. Good. We're alright. We're doing good. We're still doing good. That worked out. See? I knew it. God, that card. Okay, so that's an enchantment. I didn't even realize that. I thought it transformed and then that was it with that. I guess not, so. Darn, that's frustrating. Okay. Golly, I need to get stuff that destroys enchantments. There is some really, really good enchantments out there. Alright, let's start trying to do some damage here. So let's go ahead and play this so that I can continue to draw my cards, continue my shenanigans the way that I want, the way that I like. As long as I can keep drawing cards and choose what I draw, I have the power, so I'm pretty set. I still feel pretty confident. I don't think he's gonna win. Yeah, let's keep that. And I'll draw it. Okay. And if he's got a counter card, let's go ahead and let him counter it. I really don't care at this point. Plus, the more the better because he's running out of cards in his hand. Giant growth would have been nice, but it's cool. Alright, let's see what he's got. Darn it, did I seriously? I just summoned him and I played it on him. I wasn't thinking. I should have played it on him. That's what I get for thinking too hard. Golly, that would have been game. No, that wouldn't have been game, but still. I think I would have won next match. Yeah, golly. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's not a big deal. I still have plenty of things to play, so. What I got? 6 mana still? If he's got 2 counter cards, it'll get rid of the cards in his hand. I'm okay with that. It's okay. That is not an issue. Okay, put a 1/1 counter on target creature you control, then double that 1/1 counter. Okay. We're still doing all right. I wonder if I attack, he could counter, but I would win. So let's go ahead and just risk it. Why not, right? Go ahead and hit next here. Let's go ahead and attack, and let's see what he's got. Let's see what he's got. If he's got something to counter it, like I said, it's going to get rid of the cards in his hand. But you know what? Yeah, good. Okay, I won. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. So I don't know what deck that is. I mean, seriously, you'd have no creatures. He's just depending on his Kraken and keeping the other creatures occupied. That's a weird deck. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that match. There's more content to come. I do stream other things other than just Magic the Gathering. I like to play Dragon Ball FighterZ on the PS4. If any of you guys want to follow me on Twitch, I always like to play against better people or just anybody in general, and so I always have an open lobby. So feel welcome to come follow me, and then we can hang out, we can play, just chill. I also play BB Tag, Blaze Cross Tag Battle, Blaze Blue Cross Tag Battle, some retro games. I play just about anything. I'm new to this gaming community. Didn't realize you can make so many friends. So guys, just come on by. Let's hang out and have some fun. Thanks.